Sneezing is a fascinating bodily reflex that serves as the body's natural defense mechanism against foreign particles. It happens when irritants like dust, pollen, or even a strong smell irritate the lining of the nose. The body responds by sending a message to the brain, triggering the sneeze reflex to expel these unwanted visitors. Interestingly, a sneeze can travel at speeds over 100 miles per hour, making it comparable to a fast car on a racetrack. Additionally, it's a zombie-like occurrence that even happens in sleep if the brain gets a strong enough signal. Next time you sneeze, remember it's not just your body's way of keeping your nose clean, but also a fast and powerful defense system.